Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this really beautiful pink berry look for fall. I'm loving that this makes my green eyes pop, and the matte lip, ooh, chef's kiss. And I'm using a palette that I have not used for like 4 years, but I was going to declutter it, so I thought, well, let's use it again. It's a Positions Formula Rose All Day. Not sure if you can pick this up anymore, but I really wanted to test it. I really love the look I come up with, and this is actually look number 2. I'm going to put look number 1 in the cards so you can watch that one as well, and I really enjoy both looks that I've come up with. So let's get started. I'm using the WetnWild Mega Last Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and the Sheglam Insta Ready Loose Powder to catch fallout. And of course the Positions Formula Rose All Day Eyeshadow Palette. The first shade I'm taking is kind of like this light pink mauve shade in the second row, first shade. These shades are so pretty, really pigmented, and there is quite a bit of fallout. The shimmery shades are flaky. I just want to add this little side note stuff here. Because I'm just applying this in the crease, and I'm going to go over it a few times, and I'm using a tapered blending brush to place this in the crease and build it up. They are a bit flaky, there is fallout. The shadows are embossed with this beautiful rose print, which is nice, and I believe this palette was probably under $14. And second row, last shade, really pretty dark berry tone, and I'm applying that on a stubbier crease kind of style brush, and I'm going to use this style brush so I can really press the eyeshadow into the outer corner and above into the crease against the orbital bone. I still want the first shade to be peeking up over top of this darker shade in the outer corner and in the crease, and then I'm going to go back in and blend over top of that darker shades darker shades line there to blend it with the actual crease transition shade. And I'll go between both of these brushes to blend that. They blend pretty easily. And the first row, the third shadow, is this really beautiful vanilla shade, and I'm going to use this for my highlight shade. And I'm using this on a large shader brush, and I'm going to apply that under the brow, and then I'm slowly going to start working that down into the crease area, blending those shades together. So this is going to be a seamless blend from the brow bone to the crease shade, and it just looks so good. I love doing my eyeshadow like this. It's probably one of my favorite portions of the eyeshadow, when I do the brow and blend it with the crease. I just absolutely love how it turns out every single time. And then in the third row, third shade, I'm using this shimmery shade here, and I'm going to use that on my finger, and it applies really nice. I'm sure these would look amazing wet as well. They're just stunning, absolutely stunning shades. I wish that they wasn't so flaky, because later you'll be able to see that there was a big flake on my lashes, and I didn't notice it, so it's there the whole time. And I'm going to go and continue to blend here with the crease shade and the outer corner shade. Blend that with the crease, blend the crease shades and outer corner shade with the lid shade, wiping away fallout. And I'm taking that pink shade I used in the crease in the beginning and using that on my lower lash line. And for the inner corner, I'm using LaColors Strobing Powder in Flashing Pink, and this is a duochrome highlighter, so it has a pink flash to it. It's so pretty. It brings an extra special pop in the inner corner, and I love it. So LaColors Gel Eyeliner to tight line with, and then I'm using the Santee Gel Eyeliner in the shade Pink in my waterline. I love this eyeliner for pink looks. It's so pretty. Ardell Wispy Lashes with the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and I'm just going to apply those lashes. I love these wispy lashes. They are so pretty, and I feel like they are perfect for like every day. They can be a bit dramatic too, but I feel like I would get away with wearing these like in an everyday setting. The AOA Studio Duoflex Mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and of course I'm leaving the lower lash line blank. No mascara there. For lips, these are from Temu, and it is the Langmanni Lip Liner and Nude Liquid Lipstick Set. This is number 4. They do sell them individually, so you will be able to find them on Temu, and I have seen them on Shein. Very inexpensive. They're beautiful. They work amazing. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, found it helpful, and maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. I have plenty more fall videos planned. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links as well as the product list.